Oh, still, when you come out of a cavern like that and you come into this thing, it's just amazing.
So after a couple of stops, liquor store and a couple of other places, we're on our way towards Hedley today. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend. Little chilly, supposed to get down to -1 tonight, but that's okay. Tomorrow we are going to head up and explore French Mine.
Well, we made it. This is our campsite that we found. Really nice, right on the Similkameen River. Good view, beautiful. Old trusty Rusty got us here with no problems. This little campsite, great place.
So we're on our way up to French Mine, just to the lower mine. Drove down this road, absolutely gorgeous views up here. Ran into a couple of other people that were parked in the middle of the road. We found out why. There's a couple of great big boulders up ahead, and just before the mine is washed out. So here we're gonna park and we're gonna walk the rest of the way. Here we go.
So we've arrived at Lower French Mine. First remnants of the mine. That's really neat. It's like an ore chute of some sort, I suppose. Way up there. Cool. Can't wait to see what's up top. Ladder. Oh, that's really steep. That's a heck of a climb. Concentrator. Huh. Okay, so where's the actual mine entrance? Oh, it's a climb to that. Almost there. And ta-da! There it is. Yay! Oh, that's cold. Yeah. A chance to try to do flashlights now.
Oh, that is chilly.
Feels kind of good, actually. Yeah. Oh, the concentrator. Alright, I'm excited to try these new flashlights out. In we go. Oh, that's so neat.
I actually don't think I even need my...
That's a heck of a breeze.
Yeah.
Hello, anything living? We're just coming through. Oh, this is so neat. This is the first mine we've found that's not like sopped in water. Well, that one's collapsed. Oh, some old rail. What I've seen, this mine goes forever. Are we getting educated? Are we educating?
They like
That's
Danny
it.
Long Legs and like.
Let's educate.
I That's all I know. They took out tons of stuff in here though. Like pretty much everything.
Well, when did it close? When
Court
did it
school,
open?
1958, early 1900s.
These lamps are awesome.
See why they tried.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, it goes on a little bit.
Does it go on still?
Yeah, no, it keeps going. This is all a slough in.
Huh?
There's the tunnel there on the other side. This is all collapsed. You get your pallets and
Oh yeah, look at that.
all the things. Yeah, it's heavy. Heavy irons. It brings Ziploc bags. I was gonna.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Yeah, workout stuff. Don't worry. Oh yeah, keeps going on for a while. So I don't know. Do you want to go up the other one?
Yeah, I think the other one might be a better option this time.
That's cool. Lots of horses.
Yeah, if we have time, we can always poke our head through here. There's like pallets, and it just keeps going.
Those are old ties in the ground there.
Yeah. Now the upper mine is massive. These
in
little
what?
spiders like it down here. If I get bit.
Yeah, see that looks like Galena.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, see?
You just stay there, little bastards. I feel like I'm in Harry Potter land right now.
Yeah. Ew.
There's a vein of something or other. I know nothing about rocks.
I don't either. I'll just take pictures.
Well, this shaft is massive.
Yeah.
Think we'll find Batman down here?
Ha ha
Ha ha ha.
ha. You're such a nerd.
More rail down here.
Huh?
More rail.
All right, you see this that dirt?
It's interesting. Fork in the road, all the arrows point this way. Is that your clue to go?
The rail goes that way too.
Oh, that's
Oh.
that smells disgusting, so I'm not going that way.
How far are you wanting to go?
Until you guys say stop. Let's go a little ways longer. More rail down there. Walls here are all
These
wet.
ones in there.
No, this is the end of the road for this one.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's no chute up top or anything?
No, which means you have to go through the rat nest area to go any further, and that's disgusting, so no thanks.
I'm not.
Not fond of the rats. Ooh, it is dark back there.
That looks like good thoughts is holding the rest of this in place.
Yeah. That came down awfully.
Yeah. I was like, oh, I'll just put my pick right there.
You probably use your fingernails by the sounds of it.
Yeah, my arms don't be so long.
Yes, this is
Yeah,
nice.
that's the vein they were hitting. Is this right there?
This will go through. Nice. Sure, you go right ahead.
Yeah, just let us know.
Go ahead and get the rats.
If we hear any screaming, we'll just walk the other way.
It's not.
Well, there's nothing here other than their little nest.
It's just their nest.
Oh, here's a chute, it looks like.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this goes up. Because it's a dead end there. Yeah, it goes up. Well, it goes up for a while, like 20 some feet, and there's
Wow.
an arrow that goes up.
Huh.
Oh,
Wow, look at that.
young joints.
Oh, that's crazy cool.
So if you guys don't want to go, just send me in and I'll have a quick look. And then make sure it's safe. Coast is clear. How much farther up is the upper shaft?
Not very far.
Just as a fun scramble.
Oh,
Oh, the scrambled part? I'm not sure.
The scrambled part is a ways.
Oh.
The drive's not too bad.
Drive's not bad. And you can drive right to that one.
Technically, you can drive right into the mine shaft.
Yes, that's how
Perfect.
big the entrance is.
That sounds even better.
Yeah.
They have drive-through?
I'll have
Mine service, yeah.
oh, 3 pounds of gold and.
Double.
Ow.
Watch your head.
Yep. Thought I was. That's it. End of the line. Well, for us anyway.
Well, it's crazy that they would have just like, yeah, we're gonna start digging here.
Right?
Just here's fine.
Just here.
So we may have taken a wrong turn going to Upper French. We didn't want to drive over this with the truck, so we're going to walk down and see if it's down here. But the app we were using wasn't sure. We're pretty positive we're going to have to go up, not down. So anyway, we'll check this out and see what's down here first. If it's not, we'll turn around and go the other way. Well, this is the first sign that we found something up at the Upper French. That'd be it. Right there. Can't really miss that. Yeah, that's an old chute there too.
Yeah, so this must be the top end of that thing.
Maybe. Yeah, mine must be right below here. Darn. Well, that is a big hole. Oh, this is a cool place. Oh, been holding the whole place up. Oh, that's really neat. Oh, this mine is huge. Oh, there's random holes everywhere in this place. Let's go up and see what's up here. Oh, this place is just huge. Oh wow, look at that. That's neat. Oh, that's quite the dig out.
It's not very organized.
No, it really isn't.
No tunnels or anything. It's just
No.
let's just dig a hole and see what happens.
Don't fall down there. That's a long way down. Looks like this might go somewhere. Not that one. That looks a little small for me. Oh, here they are. Here's the actual shafts now. Go that way, and that way, down. Yeah, there we go. They're everywhere over down here.
That one has an X, so it must be blocked off.
Oh, I see, yeah. Looks like it ends right there. A beer can from our ancestors. More rail. Oh, there was something here at one time. It's totally collapsed in though. It just goes up. There's a ladder here, but I'm not gonna go up it. Cool rails though. There's already people in there.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
That's fun. Oh, if you fall, I got it on film.
Looks like it's on that rock.
So it breaks in the middle. No.
That looks pretty sketchy, buddy.
Is it?
Wanna go on that chute?
No, I don't really feel like climbing down there today.
I'm gonna make a slide.
Okay.
seems fine. People have been walking over for this long. Coming, babe? No.
We'll send back our book reports.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Well, I'm looking at, come here and look up.
Holy, that's huge. Amazing.
Hello. Hi. Good. How are you?
Going up looked way better.
Yeah, good.
That's a long drop, you know.
Shush. Stop it. Oh. Okay, just watch out.
That would have been really shitty.
What?
If it rolled down the hill.
Yeah, well.
All right, coming down.
Whew, just so my knuckles involved. It's just a sudden angle and.
Okay, coming down.
Wreck. Putting up something better.
Yes.
That doesn't pass code.
Yeah, there's no
No railing.
access and egress here.
Where's the railing, man?
Alright.
So I wonder how far that goes down though. Found a little bat. He's a little guy.
Guys.
Yeah, it's a hard pass in that one too, unless you want to fly.
No. Okay.
These are friends.
Yeah, I see.
It's only about a 20-foot drop. What'd you find? Another bat?
Oh, yeah.
Where'd you see him?
It's right there.
Oh, such tiny little ones. It's just little fruit bats, eh?
It's shadows too.
Yeah.
This one's musty. Holy. More rails. That was a big one. That looks really neat. It's like what you see in a grotto, right? I feel like Jules Verne, Journey to the Center of the Earth.
That's right.
This is as far as this baby goes. That stuff glows. It's neat. Oh, still, when you come out of a cavern like that, you come into this thing, it's just